Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 19th July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First question. When is Nelson Mandela International Day observed every year? Answer is 18th July. 18th July is observed as Nelson Mandela International Day every year on his birth anniversary to mark the efforts and contribution made by Nelson Mandela for protecting human rights and peace. He was born on 18th July 1918 in South Africa. He received Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1993 as a recognition for his efforts. United Nations declared 18th July as Nelson Mandela Day in 2009. And when was United Nations founded? It was in 1945. Its headquarters is in New York, US, and its current Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Next question. What is India's rank in Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2020? Answer is third rank. India has been ranked at 3 in the Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2020 among 48 countries of Europe, America, and the Asia Pacific. This report was released by Cushman and Wakefield. These rankings are made based on the most suitable countries for manufacturing. As per this report, US and China are in the first and second position and followed by India, which are the most suitable countries for manufacturing. Next question. Which state government has started an initiative Waste to Energy to produce electricity from waste? Answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government has started an initiative called Waste to Energy through which the waste is converted into electricity. This will help in reducing the pollution in the state. And also the reason for this initiative is that the non-availability of land to dispose the waste. Through this initiative, 5 megawatts of electricity can be produced in the state as per the Pollution Control Board of Uttarakhand. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Remember, Uttarakhand has two capitals, Dehradun and Gairsen. Dehradun is the winter capital and Gairsen is the summer capital. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat and Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Next question. Ashoka Rapando has been appointed as the first woman Prime Minister of which country recently? Answer is Gabon. Rose Christian Ashoka Rapando has been appointed as the first woman Prime Minister of Gabon. Before this, she served as the Defense Minister of Gabon. Where is Gabon located? It is in Central Africa. Capital is Libreville and currency is Central African franc. Next question. The government of Maharashtra with which bank will set up stress fund to restart slum rehabilitation projects? Answer is State Bank of India. Government of Maharashtra along with State Bank of India will set up a stress fund to restart stuck slum rehabilitation projects in Mumbai metropolitan region and other urban areas in Maharashtra. The aim is to infuse 700 crore to 1000 crore to provide financial support to restart these projects. And SBI is responsible to manage this fund. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray. And Governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next question. CBSE has tied up with which company to integrate a new artificial intelligence course for class 11th and 12th? Correct answer is IBM. CBSE means Central Board of Secondary Education. CBSE has tied up with IBM to integrate a new artificial intelligence course for 11th and 12th. Remember, in CBSE, intermediate is termed as 11th and 12th. The syllabus for this will be the basic knowledge about artificial intelligence, critical thinking skills, and ethical decision making. CBSE was founded in 1962 and headquarters is in Delhi. And about IBM, full form of IBM is International Business Machines Corporation, and it was founded in the year 1911 and its headquarters is in New York, US. Next question. India signed a MOU with which country to develop a strategic petroleum reserve? Correct answer is United States. India signed a MOU with United States to develop a strategic petroleum reserve. Under this, it was agreed that the crude oil will be stored in US to increase the stock of crude oil for India. This enables India to maintain energy security within the country as well as outside India. By this MOU, India can invest in an American storage facility to maintain its crude oil stock. Next question. Which state government has included transgenders under Madhubabu Pension Yojana recently? Correct answer is Odisha. Odisha government has included transgenders under Madhubabu Pension Yojana, which provides a monthly pension. Previously, elderly persons, widows, and differently abled persons were covered under this scheme. Now, transgenders are also added to get the benefits of this scheme. When the question is about Odisha, you need to remember one important place, that is Abdul Kalam Island. This island is Integrated Test Range Missile Testing Facility of India. Previous name of this island was Wheeler Island. And about Odisha, capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister of Odisha is Navin Patnaik and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next question. Which Bollywood actress has been appointed as the ambassador of the Toronto International Film Festival? Right answer is Priyanka Chopra Jones. Priyanka Chopra Jones has been appointed as the ambassador of the Toronto International Film Festival along with 50 other celebrities. This event will be held in September 2020. Toronto International Film Festival was started in the year 1976 and it is one of the largest publicly attended film festivals in the world. Next question. Who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited? Right answer is Ashwini Kumar Tewari. Ashwini Kumar Tewari has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of SBI Cards and Payment Service Limited. He was appointed after the resignation of Hardayal Prasad from the position. SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited is a payment solutions provider in India. This was launched by its parent company State Bank of India and GE Capital in 1998. And later in 2017, State Bank of India and the Carlyle Group acquired GE Capital's stake in the company. Headquarters of SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited is in Gurgaon, India. Next question. Which state has stopped the market borrowings in the fiscal year 2020-21 as per RBI's data? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in the top spot in market borrowings among all the states in the country, which has so far raised 30,500 crore in the fiscal year 2020-21. Tamil Nadu has accounted for 17% of the borrowings done through the issue of bonds known as state development loans, according to the data from Reserve Bank of India. This list is followed by Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh after Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, and its governor is Banwarilal Purohit. Next question. Where did the Khadi and Village Industries Commission has opened its first footwear training center recently? Answer is Delhi. KVIC has opened its first footwear training center in Delhi. Under this, training will be given to marginalized leather artisans by KVFC CFTI Footwear Training Cum Production Center. The training will be for 2 months and the artisans will be trained on making high quality footwear. About KVIC, KVIC was formed in 1957 by the Government of India with a view of development of Khadi and village industries in the rural areas. Headquarters of KVIC is in Mumbai. These are the important current affairs for 19th July. The content is helpful. Please share, like, comment and subscribe.